The addition operator can do math on numbers such as integers and floats, or it can concatenate strings. Let's take a look. Here I just have a simple math equation, 19 plus 3. And if we echo to the screen by running it, we see we can get an answer there. You can change the numbers and use this as your own calculator. I can also use this to add float numbers. And that also shows the result below. So this is a typical mathematical operation, and you use this just like you would in your math. We can also add strings. Here I have two strings, my name plus Alyssa. If I echo that below, it displays as a single string. We can also put these within a print function. I can do the math operation in the print function, and the result can display. I can put a number of strings and concatenate them using the plus operator, and they display as a single string. The addition operator allows us to do math addition with numbers or to concatenate strings.